Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Z lens 50mm 1.8. Whoa, this lens came in at the right time for me. Wow, I can't wait to put this to use. This is so freaking amazing. I love this. I loved the feel and everything. Let's see what's inside, guys. As you can see, okay, what's this? Okay, this is more like a casing bag for the lens, I guess. Okay, well, I'll fit in the lens, but let's keep this for now. This is a manual. Okay, nobody cares about reading the manual, except if you are a beginner. This is the almighty 50mm 1.8 Z lens. Whoa, whoa, feels so pretty. Wow, guys, can you see? Can you see for yourself? 50mm 1.8. 50mm 1.8. Whoa, amazing. Well, there's a new lens out there which is the 50mm 1.4. No, it was 1.2. That lens too is a beast on its own. But for now, I'll still be a proud owner of the 50mm 1.8. Maybe in the next future I might get the 1.2 if there's a need be. So basically, look at what is left in the carton. Nothing. It's just the packing. Okay, here in this compartment I have the lens switch, which is open to the camera, fit on the lens pretty. Okay, that's that. So let me lock the lens hood on the lens to see how it fits in pretty. Whoa, amazing, amazing. I can't wait to put this lens to use. So in the next video I will do some shoots with this lens, and you guys will be the judge on how the output will look like. So you tell me what you like about it. So that's all basically. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to turn up the notification button when you subscribe. Leave your comment below. Let me know your feelings, things you guys feel I need to improve on, things I need to put into consideration. Probably in my next YouTube video, you guys should tell me. Feel free to express yourself. A word of encouragement is highly welcomed. I'm a work in progress, but so far so good. Thank you guys for watching.